morning. That's our view from our window here. It's still nice. There's birds swinging. It's cloudy too. Good morning. This is MD168. I just want to say thank you for being there, supporting me, supporting my channel, and I hope you had a good time here in Corpus Christi, because we do. There's a lot of things to do here in Corpus Christi. We'll just have to search it. And now we are heading somewhere else, and let's see where we end up for today. And ayan, nagabulichi. Wapahipo sa mong higdaanan, but I'm gonna take care of it after I'm talking here. Oh, diba? Anyway guys, thank you and see you on my next vlog. Leaving Padre Island, welcoming Mustang. What is it, Han?
I didn't see what the sign said.
Mustang. I know. Look at the poopy. Nice.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto South Station Street.
We are here in Mustang.
Look at the big shark mouth
Ah, where?
to the right.
Oh boy. I wanna go there. Look at that shark mouth.
You want me to pull in?
No, baby, I'm good.
Right. See, they have t-shirts. Only $1.99.
To get
In
to
500
You try,
feet,
Han.
turn left onto Port Aransas Beach Road.
Oh,
They look.
Turn left onto Port Aransas Beach Road.
beach parking permit required.
Permit? Oh, if only if you are. Is it required to go inside? Beach
I don't know.
parking, but we're not parking, right?
No, I don't think so.
which parking permit required?
But we're not parking. We're just looking.
Attention.
What the fuck? That's all the beach it is. But can we pass by?
Well, I gotta wait for this guy because he's in such a big hurry. He's
Let's see.
gonna bring us
I
over.
wanted to see.
There's supposed to be a park up this way I was trying to get to, but I'm thinking we might be able to.
It's
But then back over here is the
flag
ferry.
warning.
The plug is broken.
Horace.
It's still red. You
Yeah.
cannot swim.
Not good time to swim because it's wavy. Oh, we're just exploring the beach.
Big water inlet right here where the ships go in and out.
Yeah.
I guess that's the end right there? Or no?
Yeah, this is the end right here. We can't cross because the water.
So we have to
Big
go
water
back.
inlet.
Take a picture, Jen.
We'll stop
Mike
up
can
here.
just go around.
Yes, I wanna go there, Han.
Right there.
Where the birds is. Oh, he can see. He can see I have bread. He can see I have bread.
Tatawa pa na ako makuan. Okay. Tanaw nga re. Put something there. Put something in front of you so you can look at me. Put some bread in front of you. I mean, just throw it in front of you. In front of you. It throw. So they will be here. Layo na. Umutang na sa ubos. Right that, like that, like that. Daga na. So that they are next to you. His? Okay. I'll take a picture.
Sombra na yan. Namun ka ng background. Wapo man dyan na si Mike.
He's handsome.
Kariya, kami doon na.
With the two of you.
Oh, still a video, but...
Okay. I'm gonna take a picture also. Oh yes. Okay, I got it.
Okay. And I think what I read on here that this is free.
I think so too. The last time that I know, because that is the only way to go.
But yeah,
We are taking the ferry with
maybe we'll be
our...
able to get on right away, or we might have to wait.
With
Depends
our
on how
car.
busy.
And if we have to wait, it's okay because then we can take
Take
a
the
picture.
Aransas Pass, Port Aransas Ferry.
I guess they need your ID, so just get your ID nice.
To the ferry. Something different.
Now, if this were in the East Coast, we had to pay a lot.
Yeah, I'm sure.
There's always pay and everything, toll fee and everything.
We are here. We're moving. We are moving. Nagsakay-sakay may barko.
Well, I'll take a picture of you.
That was a quick little trip for us to cross the bridge. Ora to, sakay-sakay rami kadali. Now we're out again and it's connecting to...
That was fun.
That was a little fun. That was a little fun ride. Little short ride. So guys, this will be all for now and I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to click notification button for my upcoming videos, travel and joyride or cooking. So once again, thank you for watching. Bye!